Are you tired of feeling like your body's betraying you? Does walking up the stairs leave your knees aching? Or do your legs swell after just a short walk? If you're over 60, these signs could mean your body is struggling to produce enough collagen, the protein that keeps your joints strong and your legs free from swelling. Without enough collagen, you could face joint stiffness that makes daily activities harder, poor circulation leading to swelling in your ankles and calves, and even an increased risk of falls due to weaker muscles and ligaments. But don't worry, there's hope. I'm Dr. Sarah Thompson, a SeniorHealth expert with over 20 years of experience helping seniors stay mobile, pain-free, and active. In this video, you'll discover the 8 best collagen-rich foods that can ease swelling and strengthen your joints. I'll also share the common mistakes to avoid, the best habits to adopt, and one little-known secret weapon that could transform your joint health in weeks. Let's start with the mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1, relying on processed collagen drinks. Many of these are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and low-quality collagen peptides that your body barely absorbs. A 2020 nutrition review found that collagen bioavailability depends heavily on the source and processing, and cheap versions often have negligible effects. A better alternative is to get your collagen from natural whole foods like bone broth or wild-caught fish. Mistake number 2, ignoring vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, collagen-rich foods won't work effectively. Clinical studies show that vitamin C deficiency directly slows down collagen formation, leading to weaker connective tissue. Instead, pair collagen-rich foods with vitamin C sources like berries, kiwi, or bell peppers. Mistake number 3, eating too much processed red meat. Excess processed meat increases inflammation, which counteracts collagen's benefits for joints. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked high processed meat intake to elevated inflammatory markers in older adults. Replace processed meats with lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or plant-based options. Now let's talk about the positive habits you should adopt. First, include collagen-building foods daily. Eat bone broth, chicken skin, fish with skin, and egg whites regularly. These provide amino acids like glycine and proline, the building blocks for collagen. A 2019 randomized trial showed collagen peptide supplementation improved joint function in adults over 50 within 12 weeks. Second, stay hydrated. Drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day. Collagen fibers need hydration to stay flexible and elastic, and dehydrated tissues become brittle and prone to injury. Your joints will thank you for keeping them well lubricated. Third, practice gentle strength training. Use resistance bands or light weights 2 to 3 times a week. Exercise stimulates your body to produce more collagen naturally. A 2021 gerontology study found that resistance training boosted collagen synthesis in tendons of older adults. Remember, it's never too late to start building strength. Now let us dive into the 8 collagen-rich foods that can make a real difference in your joint health and leg swelling. First on our list is bone broth. This superfood deserves a deeper look because it's a powerhouse of collagen in its natural form. Bone broth contains not just collagen, but also minerals like magnesium and calcium for bone health. The gelatin in bone broth helps reduce inflammation in the joints and supports healthy circulation in the legs. Here is how to make bone broth work for you. Make it at home using chicken or beef bones simmered for 12 to 24 hours. Drink 1 cup daily, ideally in the morning, to kickstart your collagen intake for the day. Add herbs like turmeric or ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. And remember to pair it with vitamin C-rich foods for maximum absorption. Our second collagen-rich food is wild-caught fish, especially salmon. Not only is salmon packed with collagen, but it's also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which we'll talk more about later. The skin of the fish is particularly rich in collagen, so don't be afraid to eat it. Third on our list is chicken, particularly the skin and cartilage. These parts of the bird are loaded with collagen and can be easily incorporated into soups or stews. If you're making chicken soup, let it simmer for longer to extract more collagen from the bones and connective tissues. Fourth, we have egg whites. While the yolk is nutritious, the egg white contains high amounts of proline, one of the main amino acids needed for collagen production. Try starting your day with an egg white omelette filled with colorful vegetables for a collagen and vitamin C boost. Fifth on our list is citrus fruits. While they don't contain collagen directly, they're packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons can all help your body produce and utilize collagen more effectively. Sixth, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which may increase the precursor to collagen in your skin. They're also packed with antioxidants that protect existing collagen from damage. Seventh, berries of all kinds, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, are excellent for collagen production. They're high in vitamin C and contain antioxidants that protect your skin and joints from free radical damage. Last but not least, garlic. This pungent bulb contains sulfur, a necessary component for collagen production. It also has lipoic acid and taurine, which help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. Now, let me share with you the secret weapon I promised: collagen plus omega-3. This means eating collagen-rich foods alongside omega-3 sources like salmon, sardines, or flax seeds. Omega-3 South reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, allowing collagen to repair and strengthen joints faster. Studies show that combining collagen with anti-inflammatory nutrients can reduce joint pain by up to 40% in older adults within 3 months. Imagine waking up without that stiffness in your knees, or being able to take long walks without your legs swelling up. That's the power of combining collagen-rich foods with omega-3 South. It's not just about reducing pain, it's about regaining your freedom to move and enjoy life. So here's your action plan. Start today. Pick just one collagen-rich food from this list and include it in your next meal. Maybe it's a cup of homemade bone broth with your breakfast, or a piece of wild-caught salmon for dinner. Pair it with some berries or a citrus fruit for that crucial vitamin C boost. And don't forget to stay hydrated and keep moving with gentle exercises. Remember, your age doesn't define your mobility. With the right foods and habits, you can keep moving, keep smiling, and keep doing the things you love well into your 80s and beyond. It's time to reclaim your active lifestyle and say goodbye to joint pain and leg swelling. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Here's to healthier joints, stronger legs, and a more vibrant you.